Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can get verified on YouTube. Let's get started. Open up your browser and then in the search bar, search for youtube.com. Once you search for it, log into your account. Once logged in, simply tap on your profile icon. Scroll below, then tap on YouTube Studio. And just like that, this will open your studio dashboard. On the left hand side, scroll below, then tap on Settings. And then simply click on Channel. Now simply click on Feature Eligibility. And here you will see three types of feature. Standard feature. These are available to everyone as soon as you create your channel. Intermediate feature. To unlock those, you need to verify your channel using a phone number and simply following the on-screen step. After that, advanced feature. To access advanced feature, you must verify using video verification, a valid ID, channel history, or one of the YouTube trusted verification method. After verifying, simply tap on Save, and if you want to earn, you can simply tap on the Earn tab right over here, and here you will be able to find your progress towards monetization. There are two main requirements. Get 3,000 watch hour in the last 365 days or get 3 million short views in the last 90 days. For full monetization eligibility, YouTube also requires 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months or 10 million short views in the last 90 days. That's it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.